The platypus. Platypuses. The common name for the Ornithopus anitus is platypus. They belong to the Animalia kingdom, Chordata phylum, Monotremata order, Ornithorhynchidae family, and Ornithorhynchus anitus genus or species. Lifestyle. Platypuses mostly live in freshwater areas that flow throughout the island of Tasmania and the eastern and southeastern coast of Australia. Although they mostly stay in the water, platypuses will waddle onto riverbanks to dig burrows with their claws, which have rooms or chambers. They will reside under rock ledges, roots, or debris. Adaptations. Platypuses are adapted for a semi-aquatic lifestyle. It has a streamlined body and a broad, flat tail, which are all covered with a dense, waterproof fur to provide a great thermal insulation. It propels itself through the water using its front webbed limbs and uses its partially webbed back feet as rudders. Male platypuses have the ability to deliver a venomous sting using the spur on each foot. Their duckbill allows for platypuses to hear and breathe while diving for prey. Evolution. Platypuses don't have many evolutionary relatives. However, the Tynilphos and the Steropodons are both relatives of the platypus. Steropodons look very much like platypuses, but with less of a duckbill and a smaller, thinner tail. Tynilphos are a lot like Steropodons, except in size. Steropodons are 40 to 50 centimeters long. Tynilphos are 10 centimeters long, and platypuses are 43 to 50 centimeters long. Platypus's role. Since the platypus is a carnivore, it plays a typical role of that of a carnivore in its environment. It keeps the populations of lower species in the food chain in check. Darwin's principle. Darwin's theory of natural selection indicates that more individuals are produced each generation that can survive. The longer an individual survives, the better off it probably is, and therefore passes down its genes that allow it to survive better. The individuals that die quicker don't have the chance to produce offspring and therefore don't pass down their genes that cause it to die faster. This relates to platypuses by its bill, size change, and the male's venomous spurs. See, a platypus's bill is made up of thousands of cells, allowing platypuses to detect the electric fields that are generated by all living things. They also used to be 3 feet long, which is almost double the size of them now. Male platypuses, as said earlier, use venomous spurs on their feet to deliver a poisonous sting. These all are advantages that were passed down by platypuses that survived the longest. Fun facts. Platypuses are one of the 2 mammal species that lay eggs. Platypuses are able to retract their webbing. And platypuses use their tails for many things, including storing fat and holding incubating eggs against the female's warm body.